find the sum of the 20th term of the geometric sequence 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015. Before we can solve this question, we have to determine the common ratio. The common ratio will tell us which of the formula that we're going to use, because we have two formula for calculating the sum of a geometric sequence. The first one is this: Sn is equals to A into bracket r raised to the power of n minus 1 all over r minus 1. This formula is used when r is greater than 1. That is, when r is greater than 1, we are going to use this formula. Now, the second formula for sum is this: Sn is equals to A into bracket 1 minus r raised to the power of n all over 1 minus r. This second formula is used when r is less than 1. That is, when our common ratio is less than 1. Therefore, let me put it here. When r is less than 1, that's the reason why we have to determine our common ratio first. Now, don't forget that common ratio of a geometric sequence is given by this formula. The common ratio is equals to the t2 all over t1, or the t3 all over t2, or the tn all over tn minus 1. So that's how to calculate the common ratio of a geometric sequence. Now, if you look at the question, the first term that they gave us, which is the t1, is what? 0.15. And the second term is 0.015. So if I want to calculate the how by considering the second term and the first term, I'm going to have the second term, which is 0.015 all over the first term. The first term is what? 0.15. Therefore, 0.15. So r common ratio is equals to 0.1. As you can see, the common ratio is 0.1. Now we are going to go back to the formula and check. Since r is less than 1, of course, yes, 0.1 is less than 1. So therefore, r is less than 1. Therefore, I'm going to use this formula. This is the formula that I'm going to use because this formula is used when r is less than 1. Next step is to substitute all the parameters that was given in the question into this formula. We have n is equals to 20 and a is equals to 0.15. r is equals to 0.1. Okay, now let's substitute all this into this formula. So I'm going to have S20 is equals to A is 0.15. So I'm going to have 0.15 into bracket 1 minus R is 0.1. 1 minus 0.1 raised to the power of 20. So all over 1 minus 0.1. Have S20 is equals to 0.15 into bracket 1 minus 0.1 raised to the power of 20 can be written as 10 raised to the power of minus 20 all over 1 minus 0.1, that is 0.9. So I have 0.9 in this place. So n is equals to 0.15 into bracket 1 minus 10 raised to the power of minus 20. That will give me 1. So I'm going to have 0.15 multiplied by 1 all over 0.9. So the sum of the 20th term is 0.15 all over 0.9, and that is 0.17. So the sum of the 20th term of the arithmetic progression is 0.17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and I want you to hit on the notification bell so that when I drop new video, you are going to get notified. Thank you very much.